Afternoon. Hi, good afternoon, everybody.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi. Wait, I'm going to admit a lot of participants today. So, as usual, we have Glenn, Tori, and then hi, Batasi Bombings. Who is your name? I don't know. I'm sorry if I cannot mention you one by one. Everyone now. Hi, Glenn. How are you today? Good.
Hi.
Hi, Glenn. Hi, Aaron. And Fio.
Hi.
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 Hi, Alim.
Hi. Hi, Mr.
Hi, hi. So I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. I hope you have a very nice holiday since that Corona beat us.
Not really.
Yeah.
Not really.
Right? Right? Right. Are you ready now? Okay. I'm going to unmute also. So today we're going to start with making, drawing the people like this, like the one that I show you on my screen, this part of like this kind of things, and something like this also. And then some of them like this, like people holding something and doing some activities like that. Yeah. So today we're going to start to draw people in action. Means that people doing some action like playing a ball or maybe like drawing or holding something like that. Yeah, something like that. Right. Now we're going to start, and I want you to prepare your paper. Are you ready?
Yep. And your marker here.
Yes. If you're ready, please give me your thumbs. Give me your thumbs, please. If you're ready with marker and paper, give me your thumbs. Come on. Glenn, give me your thumbs first. And Nico, and okay, Brave Nace Newton. Hi, Brave Nace Newton. And then Glenn, show me your thumbs first, Abia. And Elbrus, give me your thumbs first. Okay, if you're ready, now we're going to start, okay? Now, basically, most of kids, they do not really know how to draw people, yeah? So if you're ready, now we're going to start. First of all, I'm going to show you the very basic and simple way how to draw people, all right? With the activities like this, like the one that I show you at the back. Ready? Now, you have to draw U letter first. Not too big, yes, not too big, not too small. Just spread the U letter first like this.
No need to follow you is okay, right?
Actually,
only the step, yeah, but the action no need to follow.
Draw U letter like this first. And then we will draw people in overlap position, yeah? And then don't forget to draw the ears at the back, and at the right and then at the left side. Like this. This looks so odd, so strange, but this will be the best starter for us to draw the people. Right. After this kind of things, we're going to draw a cracking egg effect on this side like this. I will show you very close with the camera so you can easily see this one. I'm drawing the cracking egg like this. Good job, Glenn.
Sister, I'm drawing like a baby. A fish of a baby.
Yes. After that, we're going to draw the head. The hair. Yeah, like this. You can make it different. You can put the things a little bit different maybe on this part. Yes. It looks the same at the first time, but it will make a different later. Right? Yes. I will draw another U letter here. First, for those who just joined, please prepare your paper and your marker. And don't forget to draw U letter like this. Draw U letter first.
Oh, you drew so many.
And then draw the ears at the left and the right side. And then draw the cracking egg effects like that. Then draw the upper part of our head, which is a hair, like this. This looks all boys, yeah, but later we can change it into a girl. Don't worry, we're going to change it into a girl, some of them. Ready? Now we're going to draw the eyes of this person. Some of them are crying, some of them are maybe sad, some of them are smiling. Put some eyebrow and then the eyes. And then for drawing the nose, just a simple comma on the middle of the face. Simple comma, and then you can draw the mouth. Some of them may be smiling, some of them may be sad like that.
Mine is, the mouth is like...
Yes, correct, Glenn. Good job, Glenn.
Mister, can I draw the mouth like this?
Yes, can. Okay. Don't forget that we have two sessions. The first session will be drawing activities. The second one will be presenting. I want you to speak up your mind. Don't be shy. Just be confident and then draw your own. Ready? After this one, I'm going to draw the neck. Don't forget to draw the neck first because people have a neck. Right? Draw the neck first. A bit longer, not too short, not too long, but medium size. Okay, like that. Draw the neck. Done? After this one, we're going to draw a rectangle. Don't forget to draw the body a little bit more longer, yeah? Not too small. Look at your own body. Your own body is also very long and strong. Okay, I'm drawing like this. Remember, it has to be long, medium size, but not too long, not too short, but medium. Yes, correct, Glenn. Good job. Guys, if it's possible, please show your drawing also so Mr. Awil can monitor your progress. And yes, good job, Ares. Yes, like that. That is correct. Good job. How is it, Tori? If you want to show me, yeah, you can do it. Right, after this one, this is the fun part. We're going to draw the hand. Okay, remember to draw the hand a bit longer. Like that. Some of the hand are very small. We're not drawing the hand actually, we're drawing the shoulder of every person's hands later on. Draw it like this first. If the head is heading the down part, it will be like this. Ready? If it's too fast, you can just ask me, yeah? Mr. Oh, too fast. Can you please make it slower? I will be, I will follow your instruction there.
Mister, long sleeve.
Yeah, you can draw the long sleeves or small hands. How is it, Nico? Can I see your drawing? Can you show it to, yeah, closer, please? Yeah, Nico, actually, you have to draw the hands on the top part of the shoulder, yeah, not from the down part. If you draw it from the down part, it will be like, looks like that. Looks like the hands come from your tummy.
Hello.
Ya, kalau terlalu bawah, tangannya nanti keluarnya dari perut, jadi nggak kelihatan. Oke, sekarang kita akan membuat tangannya. Lihat jarinya ada 5. We're going to draw the hands. And then this part, you have to make it a little bit more longer.
Can I just draw a circle?
Yeah.
So it's simple.
Yes, correct, Glenn. See that in only 5 minutes, we can draw a lot of people, yeah? So from now on,
I'm drawing little
Glenn,
by little.
you're now grade 5, and I don't want you to draw a stick man anymore, okay? If my students draw stick man, I'm going to give them 0 because stick man is only for like K1 or K2 student, like kindergarten. Now you are on the primary school, and I'm quite sure that you can draw the people like this. Remember to draw the hands longer. Gambar tangannya harus panjang. Lihat tangan kita tuh. Lihat tangan yang soal juga panjang. Tangan kalian juga panjang. Jadi nggak boleh.
Sampai ke pinggang pokoknya.
Yes. It has to be from the, yeah. Right then, I'm going to draw another one here. So this is it. We draw the people in action. But now, how about the hair, Mr. R? Why that everything becoming like, oh yeah, good job, Abia. Now we're going to make a difference on the hair, yeah? Now this one is look like a boy, right? But I want to change it into a girl. So I just put some line on this part. And it will create a girl.
Girl.
Yeah.
Girl.
Yeah, a girl.
Girl.
Sorry, my accent is sometimes not really British. So this will be the girl. Okay.
Oh, can I color the
Now, Mr.
hair?
R, can I change this person into a girl also? Yes. So you just put some hair like this, because sometimes girl hair looks like a little bit, yeah. They tie the hair like this, and it will look like a girl, right? So you now know how to change from the boy into a girl. Just add another hair at the back side of the head. Okay, I'm going to change my marker first.
I modified the
Yes,
shape.
correct, Glenn. Can you show us how to change the hair, Glenn, from the boy into the girl? Okay, show it. How is it, Elbrus? Elbrus, you have any problem? Can you show us, please, your drawing? Oh, your daddy need to put some green screen at the back because everything looks, overlap with the background. Right now, Mr. Can I change also this person into a girl? Yes. Just put some hair on this part. See that? As easy as is it? I mean, it is. I'm sorry, my English now is very poor and need more practice, guys. Okay.
Can I color off the hair black?
Yes. Now, guys, I want you to color all the hair black.
Alright.
Use black color to color all the hair, yeah? Then don't forget that today we're going to also using gradation color to color our drawing. Lihat ya, hanya 5 menit kita sudah bisa membuat orang dengan posisi overlap, tindih-tindihan, ada yang di belakang, ada yang di depan. Nah, kalau dalam lomba melukis biasanya kita harus berlomba dengan waktu. Semakin waktunya diberikan, kita harus cepat kerjain. Karena kalau waktunya habis, nanti kita nggak selesai dan kita nggak menang. Nah, ini untuk lomba melukis cocok banget, teman-teman. Adik-adik bisa gambar seperti ini. Ya, orangnya harus banyak. Yes, correct, Glenn. Ayo, Glenn, gambar lagi di bawah atasnya. Please draw more people. Ya, kita sekarang akan menggambar badannya ya, tapi sebelumnya I want you guys to color all the hair with black. With your black marker. Color it black first. So it will be Looks so nice. Yes, Elbrus, good job. Yeah, like that. Now we're going to draw the body, yeah? I mean the leg. Mr. Al, this drawing looks so old. I mean, looks so old because we don't draw the leg. All right then, we're going to draw the leg. Remember how to draw the leg? It's like this. Draw the short pant first. I think this one is a boy. I'm going to draw it as a pant, short pants.
I'm going to draw short pants on the ground.
This one is also a boy, but I wanted to make it using a long pants like this. Don't draw the leg yet. I mean the foot yet. This one is a girl, so I'm going to put this girl using a skirt. And this one is also a girl. I'm going to add this girl using a short pant because sometimes the girl also using a short pant. And this one is also a girl, but I want to use the nice skirt maybe, yeah, like this. Amen. Okay, done with this kind of things. Now we're going to draw the leg. Going to draw the leg now. Remember that, see that, it's only 7 until 8 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 17 minutes, we already create so many objects like this. And this one is very cool. All right, now we're going to draw the legs. Kita akan menggambar kakinya ya. Kalau dalam keadaan seperti ini, sudah dekat dengan batas kertasnya, teman-teman nggak usah gambar kakinya, langsung aja terusin ke bawah.
Iya.
Just go directly straight to the bottom side of the paper.
Jangan dipotong sampai kakinya pendek.
But this one is a different case, so I will draw the leg like this. And maybe some of them are using the shoes and the sock, like this kind of thing. I'm sorry. Oh, this one looks odd because I am drawing. Very hard for me to handle to control my drawing because, yeah. Now I want you to draw the leg, yeah. Remember, long leg is better than short legs. So I want you guys to draw the legs more longer. All right, like this. If you don't have any space, don't force to draw the leg like this. You just make it go through the paper like this. Yeah, and these girls also using the same leg. All right, this one we can draw a shoes maybe on the spot. All right, done. This is it. Right, if you have any question, just raise your hand. I'm going to listen up to what your concern. Yes, Elbrus, how to say it? Elbrus or Elbrush? Right, this kind of things, yeah? Now, I need your creativity. Tori, you can put something here. Maybe this person are holding a, what? Maybe holding a sign. Or this person are holding something like a stick. I need your creativity now, guys. Please use your creativity to add your drawing. Yeah, make it more merrier, make it more detailed and lots of objects. Okay, Abia, you have any questions so far? How about you, Nico? Nico, do you have any question, guys? Okay, I'm going to unmute all. So if you have any concern or you have any question, you just ask me, okay? Don't hesitate to ask me. It's okay. I will try my best to listen up and to answer your question. Ready? I'm going to unmute all. How to do it? How to do unmute all? How to do unmute all? That's so hard. Okay. All right, Glenn, do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay. How about Fanala? What level are you now? Are you grade 5?
Grade, not level.
So you're grade 5, Anala? Okay, good job. So from now, Anala, Tori, Glenn, Elbrus, Nico, Ares, and Flo, Eliana, and Abia, please do not draw stickman, all right? Because stickman means, yes, correct like that, Abia. Good job. I give you 2 thumbs up. So in in 20 minutes, now we already did it. We already create a lot of objects like this. Now I need your creativity, yeah?
This.
Right.
2 of this are playing badminton.
Yes, 2 of this person are playing badminton. So I need your creativity, guys. Ares, boleh bermain dengan bola ininya, boleh gambar bola di bawahnya, so that this person are playing with the ball, with the soccer ball, like that.
We're gonna color it, right?
Yes. After that, you're going to color it. Yeah, but I'm sorry, I just need like 1 minute to find my crayons. Can you help me to find your crayons, please? We're going to use gradation on this part, okay? Braveness Newton. How to call you? Brave or what? Do you have any short name? Braveness Newton.
Bright, nice.
Bright, nice. All right, bright, nice. Hi, bright, nice. Are you done with your drawing? Not really? Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute to continue and to add more object on your drawing, yeah? Remember to be creative. Nico, gimana? Belakangnya dikasih apa, Nico? You can draw another like a cloud or a sun. Because all of these person are playing on the soccer field, maybe. How about you, Tori? Tori, gambarnya seperti apa? Can I see your drawing, please? Yes, correct. Now, Tori, you have to you have to add something on the top part of your drawing. Yeah.
Oh, can I draw? Okay. Can I draw the hills?
The hills, yeah. Draw the hills. Yeah, you can draw the hills or something at the back of our. So I'm going to put the hills at the back of our drawing, and maybe some of the bushes at the back. Yeah. So we're going to color it using gradation, yeah? Hi, Abia, do you have any problems so far? Correct, Glenn. Very good, Glenn. The drawing are very beautiful. Abia, do you have any questions so far, Abia? Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now draw the hills, draw the house at the back, draw the bushes or trees or something like that. Yeah. On Friday, I'm going to teach you how to draw the tree and how to color it. Yeah? So I'm going to go find my crayons. We'll mute my video in only like 30 seconds and then we're going to continue. Just keep on drawing, guys. Keep on drawing. Wait.
Can I decorate the shirt?
Of course, just draw, decorate it as best as you can. Wait, where's the crayon? Okay, now I have my crayons with me. Going to use my crayon and we're going to color it nicely, yeah? So I remind you again, guys, if the time is already up, that is already 40 minutes, I want you to re-log in again. We can log in again. We can use the same ID, meeting, and then the same password, yeah? And then you can save this Yeah. Right, we're going to color our drawing. Yeah, ready? This one. Usually, all the kids already know the skin colors of our humans are
Yang nggak pakai warna baju.
okay. Going to color the skin first. So that I put the dark skin at the bottom side of this skin area, right? Like this. Remember to always use your crayons nicely so there will be no white space on it.
Can I color the skin this color?
Yes, you can use two skin color. The first one is the dark one, and then the second one is the light one, right? I do not really color the rest of the skin because I want to mix it. I want to make a shading effect on our skin, yeah? Because shading is good. It will look, our drawing looks 3D later on. So like this. Very little bit on the hand.
Twister, can I use color pencil?
Yes, you can use color pencil. You can use color pencil like that. That's okay. But don't forget to always applying the gradation color. That is my drawing, and I'm going to mix it with the light. Sorry, this is the dark green first. Right, we're going to color this the red of our. Like that. Oh, this is a bit yellow, yeah.
I told you.
Okay, it's okay. Some of the kids are having the yellow color. Right, I'm going to use, yeah, there.
Can I color more?
Yes. Don't forget, Glenn, to apply the gradation technique, okay? Because last week, you already learned about gradation. And I want you to always remember what you have learned and then apply it on your drawing.
So I need to know how dark, how light in the thing.
Yeah, can be. Really good. But you see that I don't have much time. Just one color is okay. Yo, Nico dikasih gradasi ya. Don't forget to use gradation color on your drawing. Okay, I'm done with all of the skin. Okay. I'm sorry. Like that. This. And then I'm going to use blue gradation or green gradation. I just blue gradation on some of the, or just at the back. Going to color the sky first with the dark green at the back first. Remember, don't leave any white space, guys. Make all of your colors solid like this. Don't leave any white spot. Don't be too lazy to color. Okay, I know that color is also sometimes it's really overwhelmed. You will get tired easily, but don't give up. Try to use light blue at the back of the drawing. And the blue sky.
Tuh bisa kelihatan.
So while we are learning on 2 o'clock, because one of our friends, Albus from Serbia, in Serbia nowadays, 9 o'clock, 9 in the morning. So if we are starting earlier, maybe Albus will not still sleeping.
Yeah, because it's 9.
Yeah, we have a different time zone. Okay, how is it, Depaka? Are you done with your drawing? All right, I'm done with this at the sky of our drawing. Yes. Yeah, this is one of the examples how you apply the gradation color, right? So bright, nice, bright, nice. After this, we're going to use one more session. You can log in again using your Zoom and then using your ID and use the same password. And after that, I'm going to ask you one by one, and then you have to be ready to present your work, yeah? It's okay if you
I'm
can
not done.
use English, you can use Bahasa or use any, yeah.
Can I use German?
Wow,
Wow!
that's really cool. I want to hear that. Just Germany language is okay. Like everybody or like, yeah, I know a little bit about German language. But,
I cannot German.
you cannot?
Yes.
Why you say that you want to use German?
I will use translate.
Okay. So guys, if you don't have any crayons, it's okay. If you don't have any color marker, it's also okay. All right. The point of today's learning is you drawing people in action, a lot of people in one crowd, and then in the overlapping position like this. So if you don't have any marker, it's okay. You don't need to color it. The point is today we can draw the people in some activities like this. Some are playing ball, some are holding something, some are playing with the stick, like that. So the goal for today is just drawing the people. Okay, if you don't have any color pencil, no need to color. If you don't have any marker, maybe you can share it.
Yang tua ini yang tua.
Right. So Elbrus, do you have any problem? Elbrus, gimana gambarnya terjadi? Iya kan? Elbrus kelas berapa ya sekarang?
Sekolah.
Kelas 2.
Belum sekolah.
Iya. Kalau Abia gimana? Lagi mewarnai ya? Abia. Iya, Elbrus dari Serbia, Abia dari Tangerang, Bright Night Newton dari, aku nggak tahu, dari Ares, dari mana Ares?
Bogor.
Bogor. Dari Niko dari Bandung. Vanala dari mana Vanala? Where you come from?
Dari Tangerang, Jakarta.
Tangerang ya. Kalau Tori? Tori tinggal di mana?
Di Jakarta, Bang.
Jakarta ya. Okay. So we have so many friends with different culture and with different area. I want you guys to. I mean, yeah, maybe in Serbia they can culture also, right? Yeah. Right. I think we only have 3 more minutes. I want you to log in again to your Zoom
Lengkap.
application.
Oh, ini ada.
Kids will have 2 until 3 minutes to present their work. Okay, Ares, Panala, and Jason, Nico, Doris harus siap dengan presentasinya, bagaimana cara membuat orang, like step by step, and then how you color it, and then if you have any problem, you can share it with us, and then maybe we can learn other later, learn from each other. Hai Elbrus, di mana gambarnya sudah selesai? Elbrus sudah selesai? Okay, good job. Good job, everyone. So we have today 1, 2, 3. We have 10 participants today. Wow.
Time to color the shirt.
All right, Elbrus. Wow, very good, Elbrus. Do you have any color marker or crayons, Elbrus? Okay, if you don't have it, it's okay, no problem. All right, guys, it's time for us to leave the meeting first. I want you to log in again, right? We don't have to
Oke.
log in again. I'm going to count until from 10, 9, 8, 7,
Sini.
5,